Hello friends, you're welcome back to our video channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you how you can partake on Uprock Airdrop. It's very important. This Uprock Airdrop is hosted both on Jupiter and Solana network, so it's a very potential crypto. And for now you can be part of the very simple video what to do. So you can join now and start earning up to 30 Upwork the Uprock Airdrop. Now what do you need to do? You're going to see the link. I'm going to attach this link on this video description area. You just see the link, click on the link, follow the link and install the app. Once you install the app, sign in and input your email, verify your email, complete profile, and it is done. Please just do this. Remember, every of these airdrops are free. If someone requests for money from you, then you are out of it. But it's free and you cannot joke with it. Everything about crypto that started, even something like Bitcoin, that is over $60,000 now, they all started this way. And this is the crypto world, this is the digital world. So don't joke with it. So you need to do this immediately. Follow the link you're going to see and quickly do this right away. I wish you the best. I stop at this moment. Thanks for watching. God bless you.